Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jetrit, and today we are going to be doing another voiceover because, again, this day my mic was not doing its thing. I don't know why or what, but yeah. But we are going to be doing a Hot Topic haul here. I ordered this stuff this was my Christmas order because I was not confident that the stuff that I had showed my um boyfriend that I wanted, that I don't know, he was showing me pictures of stuff, um and it was not at all anything of what I had shown him. So I did not have much confidence that he was gonna pull through. So I was like, you know what? Let me get myself a Christmas present. And it was a couple stuff. I did take some stuff out of the cart, and surprisingly, some of the stuff that I took out of that of the cart of this purchase, um, he ended up buying me without me realizing it. So I was very surprised when I opened up my Christmas presents for him. I should not have doubted him. Um, but here we are. All right, we are opening the box here. Pretty good size box. I think I kept this box for my moving. I'm doing sort of like a little moving series. It's not as glamorous, I think, as all these other moving videos that people are doing, but keep an eye out for that. It will be um a couple videos of that. But yeah, all right, finally. um when I do voiceovers like this, I really do realize how much I talk, because like I have no clue what I'm saying here. Right. My makeup was amazing this day. Oh, here we go. Yes, the Oogie Boogie slippers. Now I had went for Black Friday to the mall with my best friend, and I wanted to get these, and they did not have my size. I have teeny tiny feet, so they did not have the smalls. So when I placed this order, I was like, "Yep, they're coming with me." So I got these, and I do wear them very often. They are very comfortable, very plushy, very comfy. They're so cute. Look at him. I love Boogie Boogie. They should have given him some like dice to hold in the middle or something. I don't know. But yeah, very cute. Hmm. Does anyone else have tiny ass feet? Because mine are like they're fives. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. So this was supposed to be, I'm pretty sure it says mini backpack on the site. Okay, does this look mini to you? No. No, it's not. It's gigantic. What the hell, Hot Topic? Like, look at this. Kurobi is so cute. One of my favorites. Very cute. And she's like, look at the details on it. The little bows, the lace. So cute. The rosy little cheeks I gave her. Did you guys know that she was a bunny? Like, I thought she was a cat. Anyone else? Comment down below if you thought she was a cat, because I know I can't be the only one. She's a bunny. Like, where in her design does it give you bunny? Right? Right? I can't be alone in this. Does not look like bunny. But a kitty? No, a cat? Yes, definitely a cat. All right. So the zipper's in the back of the head. It's a little awkward positioning because it's like right at where the strap sort of starts. Like it's the strap thingy starts in the top, and then a little below that is the zipper. I think I'll show you guys here. But yeah, I guess it's good because like no one can snatch anything out of there from you if you're like wearing it the way that you're supposed to. But yeah, it has an okay amount of space. I mean, when it comes to like these plushy backpacks, they don't usually have too much space in it. It's mostly for like, a cute outfit or whatever, but I can definitely fit my phone in there, some like cards on their own, maybe a small wallet, you know. Ah, see, yeah, see, my phone fits in there, which is pretty chunky because of the cover. So that I feel like that gives you a good idea of how much space is in there. But yeah, not bad, honestly. She's so cute. Okay. Yep. Showing you guys the bow. This one has it's a big bow. You see that? Cute. I think this was supposed to be for like a Lolita, I think. Is that right? I think so. But yeah. Putting her back in her packaging because I don't want it to get dirty. Which my cats have been crunching and munching away at this bag. And I'm trying to get Kuromi away from them because they will make biscuits on her if I don't have the bag with it. What's next? All right. Oh, and here we have some. Did I just get a bunch of stuff out? I think I did. Oh, bigger item. Oh, Hot Topic apparently has Killstar plushies now on their website, the Creatures. And I am a Creatures collector. I'm obsessed with these spooky plushies. Um, but this one is a different version of werewolf. I have the first werewolf that they came out with, and then there's this one. He's so cute. I love it. Like I don't know how many creatures now, but you know, it's so cute. I think I do take him out to show you guys. There we go. Yeah, just sort of peek, little peeky boo. Yeah, and some little horns. Look at him. So cute and fluffy, like the little fluffs, the little ears. I don't think the first werewolf had the fluffy ears. Yeah, I'll show you guys my collection sometimes when I move out. I can show you guys. Right now they're in like bags, packed up and all that. But yeah. Oh, here we have what's that? Is that a shirt? Yeah, it's a shirt. It's my kitty shirt. I got a kitty shirt. I saw them at Sick New World this last year and they were amazing. And I did not get any merch at Sick New World sadly because the lines were ridiculously long. So I got the kitty shirt here and it's real cute. I like the kitty and the pentagram and all that. Very cute. Can't wait to wear that. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, it is a corset. Yeah, it's the oh excuse me, I yawned. It just has a bunch of different styled crosses on it, which I think is so cute. Oh my god, I tried to wear this as an outfit the other day, with like a pentagram strappy top. Tell me why my boyfriend was like, ain't that girl together? And it's like, sir, I don't care. All right, next item. Ricardo, shut up! That's my cat meowing dramatically, as if no one's home, even though I'm literally right next to him. What? Shh! What are you doing? I'm right here. Okay, so this is a skirt, and it's very cute, very ruffly or whatever. It did not fit me, and what I mean by that is it fit me, but like it, my booty is out in the open in the back. Um, so yeah, that's fun. I feel like this will probably fit me when I don't know. I keep saying I'm gonna lose weight. You're gonna hear me say this a bunch of times. And I'm having my hopes up. I am going to keep saying it until one day it comes true. You guys will see it happen if I do. But yeah, this skirt is cute. I am not returning it or give it. I don't return stuff. I either give it away to like a friend or family member, or I just keep it for safekeeping. Bad habit. But I do eventually want to wear this. So I'm hoping I'll lose weight and I can wear it. We're keeping hopes up. Alright, I think that was it for the clothes. I think this is all jewelry items. Okay, and got this cross here, this black one and this red one. I'm trying to get more sort of like little red accessories here and there. Um because my best friend wears a lot of like red accessories. And yeah, so I wanna, match up with her. We like to do twinsies, know that. Comment down below if you like to match with your bestie. It's the best thing ever, honestly. Alright. Moving on. I think I just get everything out of the box. Oh, right. Alright, and here we have some rings. I think I bought a bunch of rings in this order. A lot of cathedral stuff, a lot of crosses. But yeah, red accents, like I said. I think this is the one that in another video I'm gonna post later on. Um, I buy this exact ring set. So I'm gonna give that to my bestie. But yeah. And then I have some clips. I especially bought it for the cross because it looks real cute. I think I have a reel on Instagram with it on, I believe. Or that I posted here too. You guys will see it. But yeah, I love how it looks on. It's so cute. I can't wait to wear that red heart one too. And I will try to show you guys the clothes on, except for of course the skirt, because like I said, it just no. Alright, and then there's these earrings, cross earrings, has the moon on the top, which I love. I have a tattoo like that with the moon like that. I mean, not the crosses, but yeah, so cute. It has purple in it, which I have a dress that would match so well with that. Oh, these are all crosses. They're all crosses earrings, different colors, red, black. Very sparkly. I love it. Honestly, so cute. I can't wait to wear any of these out. Just gotta figure out what to wear with. I was saying that the teeny ones on the top row, I want to get my second lobe piercings done on each side. So I can wear those there maybe, and then the longer ones on the first one. But yeah, plans for later because I just got these high nostrils done, so trying to get those to heal. Which are there was struggle. Yeah, I talk about this here. Struggle. Have not been able to do a full face makeup completely. Because of them. So like foundation, all that. Haven't been able to do any of that. And then we have these rings set too. Again, crosses, skulls, pentagram. I love that heart pentagram one. I just love pentagrams. So cute. Yeah, someone's definitely making noise in the background. Yeah, you could see it in my face. Like, excuse me. No, I'm just laughing. Someone said, I have no honestly. But yeah, look at these, those so cute. The little moth one, look at that. I love moths. Alright, and here I am just showing you guys what two things looks on since I can't show you everything. The kitty shirt looks so cute, and this is an extra large. And yeah, my usual size really. And here is the belt with the little crosses and everything. I finally put it on the correct way. But yeah, it looks so cute on. I can't wait to wear this with an outfit. Uh, but yeah, this is M/L. I'm usually an extra large. And as you can see, it fits good and it's very comfy and everything, not at all uncomfortable. But yeah. All right, I think that was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Comment down below what you think of all these items. But yeah, just like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends if they love Hot Topic or any of, if this is like their style or whatever. Yeah. Um Sorry, I was yawning. But yeah, I'll be making more content like this as well. So yeah, subscribe to keep up with that. I think I still have like one or two hauls that I need to edit and um film. But yeah, keep an eye out for that and any of my other videos. I do have a bunch of Bridgerton videos. I don't know if you guys seen, so if any of you guys like that, I I love Bridgerton. Don't even get me started on Bridgerton. Alright, but yeah, I think that was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching if you watched right up until this very moment. And yeah, alright then, bye.